Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. And today, guys, here with Law Boss. One Law. Chronic Law. The man himself. With a song, with a video called Words of Law. Words of Law. So, you don't know, so this is the lyrical machine, like metaphors and similes for days, dog. You see me? So, I could jump in that one and hear what the G say. I'm sure he's going to say something in this one to shock me again, because he always does. Let's go.
Block.
Yeah.
Remember before the artist thing, you know, man, we ship in gun and sell shot. You know what I mean?
Bad, wrong time.
Well, life changed, dog, I give thanks, you know. No man tell me no fuck you, you know. I've lucky, but me not talk about it. Love it dark, but we never broke both since. No dogs past 30 and counting.
Can't faster. Can't faster.
Block. Remember before the artist thing, you know, man, we ship in gun and sell shot.
Law Boss, some of them artists, the way you can relate to everything when I say, like, him always in a dark zone. If you want one of deep meds, listen to Law Boss. Deep meds. Yeah.
You know what I mean? Well, life changed, dog, I give thanks, you know.
True.
No man tell me no fuck you, you know.
No fucker. Yeah.
I've lucky, but me not talk about it. Love it dark, but we never broke both since. No dogs past 30 and counting. Me no dog make one and need counseling. We are war for we life and a trophy. Murderer when I hype and bossy.
Yeah, we are murderer with a hype and bossy. Also, we live past 30. That him say right, right? Yeah. He make it to the 3-0. Yeah. Yo, big up Law Boss.
No dogs past 30 and counting.
Oh, no dogs past. Okay.
Love it dark, but we never broke both since. No dogs past 30 and counting. Me no dog make one and need counseling. We are war for we life and a trophy. Murderer when I hype and bossy. Screw face, that a joke thing. Me a walk with killer, you can't notice. Yeah.
Man say, yo, school face, that's a joke thing, brother. That's a 90s badness when man I walk up and I'm gonna screw, hey, yo, me a bad man. No. Man I say, yo, me a walk with killer, you can't even notice them. Them will smile and kill you. Them friendly. Yes. Me a walk with some killer where we see a grandmother over there, so I try to cross the road and the road too busy. I didn't just walk out on the road and say, come in, mommy, come in. Them killer them I walk with. 15 with the community. You know some kill them.
Screw face, that a joke thing. Me a walk with killer, you can't notice. Yeah, we ain't at this too long. We know when for broke, when for short, when for mute, when for bumbo clad talk the truth.
Yeah, we ain't at this too long, brother. We know when for shoot, when for mute, and when for talk the truth. There's a time and a place for everything. We know. We master them there already. We know when and when for say something, when for shut the fuck up. You see me? And when for shoot if we have to. You know? Yeah, we know.
When for short, when for mute, when for bumbo clad talk the truth. Yeah, so we ain't at this too long. We know when for proof, when for short. Me not just big man, and me not just little youth from the.
So we not trust nobody. Big man, little youth. Little girl, bigger man. We don't trust nobody. Once you're a human, we don't trust you.
So we ain't at this too long. We know when for proof, when for sure. Me not just big man, and me not just little youth. From them have strength for your pull trigger. From them have sense to run program.
Yeah, once them have sense, this I little youth me I talk about. Once them have sense for run program. Once them have strength in them finger for pull the trigger. Cause I remember you touch the trigger, boom, everything race out, you know. You see me? Once them have the strength to do that, me not trust them.
From them have strength for your pull trigger. From them have sense to run program. Keep on in the editing pool. I would just start March, I try tell me about bad nothing.
Yo, keep one on the edit. It's very important. Always have one, you know, say, yo, you're ready. You're ready, brother. Always.
Keep on in the editing pool. I would just start March, I try tell me about bad nothing, me no boast man.
Yeah, you just start march, brother. You just jump off of the veranda. You just start forward the road. You can't tell me nothing about the streets. You can't tell me nothing about badness. Bad long time. My bad long time. Yeah, you just found out the road, brother. Night Jew just touch you, know bad.
Trigger from them have sense to run program. Keep on in the editing port. I would just start march. I try tell me about bad. Nothing me no boss span. Cross water dig off the cereal. Them up a Portland. Me know a gun bag. Me know a joker.
Man saying cross the waters and basically cross the waters we go over there so go get the thing them. Forward back in, land them in a Portland, you don't know. That's the thing there.
After dig off the cereal, them up a Portland.
Yeah.
Me know a gun bag, me know a joker who a push war and every dance like a promoter.
Yo, we know a gun bag and we know a joker. We know them all, we see them all. We've been around too long not to see them. We know them, we see them. Yeah, that boy a poser, 666. Him not kill nobody, him not fire no shot.
Me know a joker who a push war and every dance like a promoter. So we in this too long. We know when for pro, when for show, when for mute, when for bumbo clock talk the truth. So we in this too long. We know when for pro, when for show. Me not just big man, I'm not just like you. Me know a little nigga love chatting. Same bad and end up dead with him gun pan him. Blood run.
Yeah, him chat too much. Yeah, man. We know a little nigga will love chat. Him same bad, him tell people every day, same bad. Him walk up and down every day, same bad. Him always have him gun when you see him tucking. But him still dead. Chat too much. And they do the gun pan him, he never use it. You're not bad, brother. You never was bad. Maybe smell bad, yes, but never bad. Come on, man.
Me know a little nigga love chatting. Same bad and end up dead with him gun pan him. Blood run from him, as him same run foreign. I watch him guard and I gap me tell the youths them not trust no ring. Yeah, we do the crime when him no call, we just kill. No care the amount of singing, one we love kill.
Not care the amount of singing when we do. Not care the amount of show we go pan. We love kill. Yeah, that is nature. I love music, but I also love kill. That's what the GSN, not me.
Run foreign, I watch him guard and I gap me tell the youths them not trust no ring.
Trust me.
Yeah, we do the crime when him no call, we just kill. No care the amount of singing, one we love kill. This is something you just start to just build. Dark, but we know when to talk about sin. Yeah. So we not this too long. We know when for grow, when for shoot, when for mute, when for bumbo clock talk the truth. So we not this too long. We know when for pro, when for short, when for get them shallow grave and know when them for make the news.
Yo, you hear the part there? Yo, yeah, hear the part there?
So we not this too long.
Switch it up.
We know when for pro, when for short, when for get them shallow grave and know when them for make the news.
So it's like he must sing back the chorus again and say, yo, let me drop in the part here. And change out the last part. No when for shoot, no when for mute, no when for bumbo clot at the truth. So him take out the bumbo clot part at the truth and say, yo, listen, me know when to give them shallow grave. Or me know when to make them parents see them on the news. Them family members see them on the news. Me know when to make them get a body for bury. If me feel evil enough, me not say, oh fuck it, shallow grave him, last him. Like a phone without chip, can't find.
For sure, when for mute, when for bumbo clot talk the truth. So we not this too long. We know when for pro, when for short, when for get them shallow grave and know when them for make the news. I would up it but me not talk about it. Love it dark but we never broke both since. No dogs past 30 and counting. Me no dog make one and need counseling.
Yeah.
We are war for we life and a trophy. Murderer when I hype and bossy.
Yeah.
Screw face, that a joke thing. Me a walk with killer, you can't notice, yeah.
So we know this too long.
I say black bush.
6.
What story?
Yeah.
Half chatting. Yeah, man.
Dark. Yo, big up Law Boss, you know, man. Big up Law's Boss, man. Words of law. I know when to do all of them something there, you see me? Granite Law. Brother, you are the most consistent artist. You're the most consistent fucking artist, bro. You're like, you not stop, brother. You not stop giving song, brother. all and all of them, brother, different thing you saying in the song, them, man. Are things where a lot of us never even dream of talking about or saying or even thinking of. You know? So your art, brother, you is a lyrics machine, brother. Nah, stop, never stop, won't stop. Humble clad labas. Bad artist, very lyrical artist. You see me? Labas, big up yourself, man. Big up yourself. You see me? Yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna leave the video. If you don't enjoy that one, you're not subscribe it. You can do the right, you know. You can subscribe, man. You know? Oh yeah. I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah. Peace.